What's up, boys? So in today's video we are back renovating the crib after work on a Wednesday because Sleepy Joe in the comment section wants to talk all this shit, seems to think he's very productive when he does nothing with his life but talk shit on the internet. So I'm going to show Joe how it's done here, and I'm going to crank this shit out quick tonight. So we're going to get, probably, I'm thinking we're going to floor this room. So I have to paint this too, but I want to focus on flooring. So I'm going to floor there, and then I'm just going to have to cut a piece for here and start coming into the bathroom a little. It's just going to have to be done. Because we're getting this living room done. I'm tired of looking at that ghetto shit. So, yeah, we're getting after it. Let's go. But I have to paint in here, so who knows? Maybe I'll start painting in here, but, yeah. Like, I already got the paint, so maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do that, too. You know what? Fuck it. I'm doing it all. And I have to clean off my kitchen counter, finally. Need to clean this so I can tint the windows so no one sees in here anymore. So, yeah. Let's go. In your face, Joe. We're getting it done. Mr. Chris. But anyways, so Joe, we come to find out we had to tear off 2 layers of flooring in that bathroom. I don't know how I didn't notice it like sooner, but yeah, obviously to get it flat within here so that it was seamless coming through here, I had to pull the door stopper, and then there was 2 layers of flooring. There was the flooring you saw, and then this shit, which I almost have the rest of this shit off right now. So I'm gonna finish peeling this, and then, yeah, I don't know. I might have finished peeling it right now, because I really just needed it so I could put one piece there. Because if I put one piece here, then I can put one piece in this row, which means then I can put a piece in this row, a piece in this row, a piece in that row, right, all the way up. Puts me 1 row closer to the wall. But the thing is I have to rip a piece and put it there, so I kind of got to wait on this. So for now, I kind of jumped over here. I got a little bit of this done, and I'm on this last row here, so I'm going to rip this terrible, shitty row all the way down and get this done. And yeah, boys, then we'll move some more stuff around over here. Eventually I'm going to floor that way. Just leave a section here so I can paint this on the floor before I put the new floor down. And yeah, I do still have some little spots over here to take care of. Like I got this corner spot. Same with right here. I got to take care of this tiny section, but the wall's so crooked that the way I have to rip it's going to be such a pain in the ass, so I've been lazy in avoiding it. Same within this room. Pretty much the same story along this wall here. And then the closet, I haven't done the closet yet. So yeah. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, boys, a little update on this room. So I finished this corner, put the moldings back on, nice and flush. Obviously you can't tell since I moved all the shit over here. Should have took a video before that, but whatever. I didn't. And yeah, now I have this area of the room to do, and then this room will be done, but I'm not going to get to it right now yet because I have to paint this vanity first so I don't make a mess on this, because I definitely will. So I'm going to get this painted and out of this room, and then I can finish flooring this room. But I got to rip out the rest of this flooring here now so we can clean this up so we can start running our flooring in. But I got to paint first, so I'm going to go paint. Get you after the pain. So, I gassed you guys up so bad with that bullshit. Listen, I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I am totally ending this video right here because we are on our way to some trails, so I'm making another video on another trail run just because it's been pissing old white people off and doing well. So, that's what we're doing. So yeah, let's end this video. Like, subscribe, comment. Look at the next video I have in the series, and you will see this place finished and things done that I said would be done. I'm gonna get to it today after this shit, but stay posted for the video, the shenanigans.